I actually like the color.
Yeah, it's cute.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
There you are.
Hi, how are you?
Let's talk about your house, guys.
How long have y'all owned this house?
Since 2014.
2014.
Okay, so wow.
It's been a while.
Yeah.
We
You've seen
bought
a
it.
lot of change around here. Holy cow.
A lot of change. There was a swamp behind our house.
Yeah.
We're so fortunate to have the park built
Heck
behind
yeah.
us.
Amazing.
And the view is wonderful. That's why we wanted to stay here.
Yeah.
My name is Claudia Becerra, and this is my husband, Daryl Combe.
So let's start with the outside.
We really don't like the entry. It's kind of dark. The bars
Right.
on the door.
Yeah.
The railings is dated.
Yeah.
What would you like to see up here?
Our nice welcoming door.
Okay.
Yes.
Just helping with the landscaping, getting rid of this handrail, doing something with the patio, we could really open up the house a lot.
Yeah.
That
Yes,
will be
for sure.
wonderful. And
All right.
also the siding.
Something a little fresher, a little newer than the vinyl siding.
I like the idea of maybe doing some board and batten below and filling in this section with cedar shake.
Very
Oh,
nice.
that will
Yes.
be beautiful.
You got just a wall here that you run into.
Okay.
Right. I like the vaulted ceilings. I was not expecting this.
We do like the height of the ceiling, yes.
Okay, but I see you have a fireplace kind of.
Yes,
Tucked
we
in the
can
corner
really
here.
organize our furniture in a way that we can make it functional and use the fireplace at the same time.
Yeah.
It's never been turned on since we bought the house.
So do you want to get rid of the fireplace?
The answer
Yeah.
is yes.
Yeah, it would open up a lot more space.
Okay, so the plan in the living room, we'll take out this old fireplace and bookshelf, replace the flooring, we'll paint, we'll replace the lighting, do some sort of a treatment on the ceiling to help draw your eye up, and really just reorient the space to make it really functional for you guys.
That would be awesome.
Okay. Oh,
Right.
this is a nice size room.
Plenty of space in the room.
But we have a very small bathroom,
Okay.
no space
Oh, wow, yeah, this is tiny.
for our toiletries, for my stuff.
Okay, so this needs to be bigger somehow. What if we did this? What if this wall goes flush, this door goes away, and it comes all the way to here? We shift the front door over here, and then all of this is now part of your closet and your
that
bathroom.
would be so nice.
Okay. I think it could be fun because it's a bathroom. Maybe that's a place to really incorporate some of those, like the feels and textures and colors of the places that you love to travel.
That sounds very good.
Not the smallest kitchen I've ever
No.
seen, you know?
It will be nice to have more storage.
Okay.
Okay. I think if you take the drop soffit out,
Right.
we can get more height with the cabinets.
If I had more storage, I could work with it.
All right, so the plan for the kitchen is update the flooring and just make sure we maximize storage. We will get you new cabinets, new countertops, new lighting, new appliances. Then we'll give you a couple open shelves to break all of that heaviness up, makes it feel light.
Yeah.
Perfect.
And so this little space here is the laundry room?
It is.
Yeah, okay. It's not, I mean, it's kind of a nice size space.
Yeah, it's a decent sized room. So what do you need in here?
I would really like to have a sink.
Okay, so that's the water heater.
Could we?
Well, we could probably go with a tankless, which would, we put it up on the wall, which would get the water heater up and then put a sink below it. Maybe get the water heater in the garage.
That will be wonderful.
They budgeted $235,000, which should help make this a substantial makeover.
Kind of just feels like it's still stuck in the late 80s, but we're
It's
gonna
kind of like Daryl's mullet.
I knew that's where you were going.
It needs a trim. It needs to be cleaned up, and it needs to reflect the new Daryl.
This way, whoa, okay, that's not what we were doing, Joe.
There you go.
Oh, there it is. Yeah. Whoa, whoa. Woo!
I think that's good.
I just want to say something.
Is
We
that how it
loosened her
was?
up.
We're the ones.
You guys definitely loosened it up.
Yeah, we did.
Things are cruising along at Daryl and Claudia's house.
We removed the siding. We're moving the front door and framing out new walls for the main bathroom. And this is gonna really maximize the space because we don't have a lot of space to work with.
And we've installed posts for the elevated new roof. It's gonna be great.
This house doesn't really have much of an identity. It's not a certain style house, so we're kind of leaning into a craftsman style with the door, the shake, the siding. I love it.
Yeah, it looks good.
Then the cedar shake looks so good. It's really just kind of a traditional craftsman house, and I think the door is perfect for it. We've got things moving along here. On the exterior, we've painted the siding a subtle light tan. And out back, they really wanted to have a fire pit out there.
This fire pit, it's a rectangle. We will line that with fire bricks so the concrete blocks that we're using won't crack. Concrete over here, we're gonna have a skim coat along the side so it looks really sleek and modern.
Yeah. And inside, luxury vinyl plank flooring is going in. It'll carry throughout the house, so it just feels really cohesive.
Out back, we have a brand new roof. We've really brought the light in, and it's so much brighter in this home. All the drywall is up in all the reconfigured spaces. Now, we need to bring some character into their house.
This house needs some visual interest, and we need to take what we've got, and the good thing we have here is the ceiling height. So we need to accentuate that and create a focal point.
It's coming together.
The landscapers are transforming the backyard into an oasis. We've laid light gravel and slate stepping stones for an inviting walkway to the new fire pit. And we made more progress on the back deck. We've added lights to the ceiling, which is much higher than it used to be. Really wanted to maximize as much storage as we could in this kitchen. It's small, but mighty.
The cabinets that we have given her in the kitchen going all the way to the ceiling, give them more storage.
I have a really pretty tile for the backsplash here. It's handmade, it's in Portugal. I know Claudia will love it because I know she loves things that are handmade and that tell a story, and that's what this tile does. Really nice against the soft color of the cabinetry. Claudia said that she collects pieces from around the world, stored away in the storage unit in the backyard. So I wanted to see if there's anything I can use in the house. I like this, that's cute. Use that for decor. There's a lot of really cool pieces in here that all tell a story. Oh, we definitely can find a spot for that. Oh, I love it. And I think if I'm able to include all of this into the house, it'll really make this home feel like both Daryl and Claudia's home now. Yeah, that's super cool. Where do you think that's from? You think Peru, maybe? We're putting the finishing touches on the kitchen. A white quartz countertop is going in. All the cabinetry, making sure they all go to the ceiling, transformed the space for them. The light color helped as well because it made it feel bigger. The front porch in the driveway, there's broken spots, so we're able to repair it, fix it, seal it. This house just feels so much bigger. It has so much more character, so much warmth. Claudia had told me she had treasures in the back shed, so I was able to use some of those throughout the house. Oh, will you go turn the fans on? Just really wanted everything to feel one of a kind, to feel like it's full of things that she's collected around the world.
We are set.
Look at the yellow flowers in the field.
Beautiful view, beautiful backyard. Let's go put the flag up and get them here.
Look at the front.
He's cruising.
It's so pretty.
Hello. It's good to see you.
Nice to see you.
You too.
Welcome back.
Come on up and check out your house.
I love the color. I like that it's very neutral and it doesn't stick out, but you notice it.
Good.
Yeah.
It's just like a different house. Look at the flowers. Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh.
That lamp is beautiful. And the ceiling. Oh my gosh, the ceiling is completely different.
It is.
Isn't it awesome?
Gorgeous.
This is the first time we've ever done anything like this.
I have this amazing height,
Yes.
but it felt just incomplete, and we thought we could just put a beam in there, but we've done that before, so we wanted to do something different. And it feels a little bit inspired by other places in the world. I know that you love to travel, so we wanted to make it feel like you're on vacation when you're home.
Yes, I love that. I love the color of the walls and the floor.
It helps everything feel lighter and brighter in here.
Yes.
And it goes throughout the house. So then, there's no transitions, no awkward. It just,
Yes.
everything flows.
I just forget what it looked like before.
I know. I remember there was the fireplace here and the
Yes.
built-in.
Yes.
Now we have a living room. I didn't have a living room before. It was the middle of a walkway.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, that's right. This is gorgeous.
We love
It's
it.
beautiful.
We love everything.
Oh, I'm so glad.
That door is so beautiful. baby.
Found this old door in an antique shop, and I loved it. I know how you love collected things from around the world, and this feels like a door you could find somewhere.
The door gave me goosebumps.
Oh, it's amazing.
We love raw materials.
Yes. Yeah, you can see how well it goes with the basket that we took out of your shed.
Yes. Like natural stuff.
Perfect. It's beautiful.
Let's go to your bedroom.
Oh my gosh.
This is so pretty. Even a sitting area. I didn't have a place to sit. This is perfect.
Very serene, very calming.
It's one of my favorite colors. It's just a really nice neutral, but it's really soft. And like you said, just calming. Check out the main bathroom.
Oh my. And those are like the tiles
Jenny,
in the...
this is beautiful.
The new bathroom, we were able to absorb that dead space in the front of the house to add to the bathroom to make it a little bit bigger.
Tiles are just so perfect.
Yay.
And the floor
The terracotta.
even looks like Colombian
Yes.
stuff. Look at all the space. I really want to have the
there's
space
shelves.
to put more things, and so this will really fit.
As much storage as we could get in here. Okay, go look at your kitchen.
I never knew what you were going to do. And I love the color of the cabinets.
Good. I know you want a neutral. So this tile is handmade in Portugal.
And I love it. It's not like perfect and
I love
flat.
that.
I love all that.
We had to keep the shape, but it does feel bigger because
completely.
of the lighting, the cabinets going all the way up. And I know you didn't want a lot of open shelving, but that you needed a little spot to display your treasures.
Kind of opens it up.
Yeah.
That is right. Yes, it's
Yeah.
perfect.
Okay,
Okay.
now you have another door to go open up.
Where did you guys get all the space in my sink? I've needed a sink for so long. And the color, Jenny, I love this.
We went to a tankless water heater that's out in the garage.
Okay, I was just gonna ask where the water heater
that's
was.
So you have water, hot water on demand.
All the time. So the stackable,
Yep, so you have the stackable, and then there's a drawer there where you can pull out, and that's where you can fold.
And a beautiful lamp. Very nice.
More texture.
perfect.
I'm so glad you love it. You ready?
We gotta go out to the backyard.
What? Wow.
It's so nice.
Without the railing, it is just gigantic.
Right?
I would have never imagined this without the rails. Wow.
So much
was.
more room compared to how
Yes.
low
Yep.
that ceiling was.
Put a new roof on that we raised up, new composite decking that is tongue and groove decking. Never have to stain it, paint it.
I love it.
This was a big one.
I
This
love
was a
it.
big project.
And then a fire pit.
Go check it out.
So it's got
Look at
all the fire brick in it, 36 by 36.
Yes.
This is a great fire pit.
You just burn and enjoy and have fun. You're right next to this amazing park right behind you.
I know.
Yeah, the flowers
So-
are beautiful.
I built you a kayak stand.
That is so nice. Thank you.
Thank you.
I've been
Yeah.
dreaming about having one of these for so long.
really?
Well, now you have two of them.
I couldn't have imagined everything that you were able to do.
We're just excited for you both to have this home together to start this new season of life.
We feel very honored.
Enjoy your space.
No.
It's time to go get your family.
It's so incredible to think that they reconnected after so long.
Come here and look. Look how beautiful this is.
It's gorgeous.
And now here they are in our town, and we got to be a part of their story and this new chapter in their lives together in this home.
Look at my tile floor.